Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how to run ads for clothing brands. So if you guys don't know who I am Abdullah, one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing, where I've helped more than 70 plus brands get from making $0 a month to making consistent six figures with their brand. Let me show you some of the results that we have managed to generate for them. As you guys can see right here, I'm currently working with more than 75 plus brands. We were able to generate more than $152,000 in a single day for this client. Like in a single day. And also this client from 1st November to the 5th of November, we were able to generate more than $202,000 in 5 days. Then here, as you guys can see, we hopped on the ad account before. There, the client was spending $8,000 to get back $9,000, but we were able to scale them to making $19,000. We only spent $4,000 to make back $19,000 with a 4.3x was. As you guys can see right here, $6,000 in 20 days. Right here, we spent $56,000 to make back $152,000. We spent $28,000 to get back return for this brand. As you can see, happy client right here, $57,000 in one single week. So if you guys want me to scale your brand personally, just hit me up or schedule a call down below, and you can see a schedule link down below. Just schedule it and we can see what you can do for you. But that's just show you guys that I know what I'm. Alright, let's get started with the video. So the first thing we're gonna go ahead and talk about is the ads manager. Before you even start ads, you have to make sure that your ads manager is set up correctly. You have a pixel and everything is set up. So after you're 100% sure that everything is set, then we can start with creative. As you guys know, 50% of the job is creative job. Like no matter how good your strategy is, no matter how you learn how to run ads and all that stuff, trust me, if your strategy is shit, you're not gonna get any results. So you guys just need to take time and cook some crazy ass creative. Like you have to make sure your creatives are 100% fucking good, because if your creatives are bad, trust me, it's just like you showing good prospects your products, shitty ass products. Like just think in your head, are they gonna buy? Like no matter how good your strategy is, if you have a shitty ass product and shitty creatives, nobody is gonna buy that product from that ad. So you guys need to remember that ads is just showing people who are most likely to buy your product. If they like it, they buy. If they don't, they're gonna go ahead and swipe. Alright, so examples of creative that works are the flat lays, the model video and pics, like simple videos and photos of the product on the ground. Make sure it's well ironed, good lighting and all that stuff. Trust me, those go crazy, so don't play that type of videos. Alright, so let me show you an example right here. This is a really good flat lay. Like tell me why the fuck could you see this flatly and you're gonna end up buying, because this is just smooth, the product is well laid and all that stuff. And this is an example of a bad one. This one doesn't even have any meaning behind it. There's no emotion attached to it. It's just you showing a product. It doesn't even look good at all. So if you have this type of creative, don't really think that ads will go crazy for you. No, they won't. And also product focused videos, like the videos have to 100% make sure that the product is the main focus. There's no other type of shit. It's only the product, you showing the product, the qualities of the product. And also, alright, so now after you have gotten your creative, you're 100% sure that you have the ad manager set up. Alright, so after I've gotten all of that stuff right, the next thing and the most important part is we're gonna go and hop on the ads manager and see, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to make the ads. Alright, so guys, I just hopped on the ads manager, as you guys can see right here, and the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and talk about is how to create the ads. Alright, so what you want to do is see a green button right here, press on it, and also out of the campaign objective, you want to choose sales, because you want to get sales. You don't want to get traffic, you don't want to get engagement and all that stuff. You only want to get sales. That's the main objective of the campaign. Continue. Alright, so what I want you guys to do is just name it prospecting. Like this is what I usually name mine. Then you're gonna go right here and search alright, wait, let me show you guys. So all of this shit should be like this. But the buying types will be auction, campaign objective, sales. You guys can see right here, off. It should be off, by the way. But if you guys don't know what CBO and EBO is, it's that campaign budget. Like when you use the campaign budget, you're just giving the budget to the whole campaign. So Meta is gonna choose the ad set that they're gonna spend on. But if you're using ad set budget, you're gonna choose the ad set that you're gonna give the budget. Let's say you have two ad sets, you're gonna give 150, you're gonna give 150, and Meta is gonna spend 50 on one, and the other one also Meta is gonna spend 50. But if you use CBO, you're gonna give the budget to the campaign, and Meta is gonna choose what likely to perform the most, and they're gonna spend on that. But like for example, let's say you give a campaign 100 and you have two ad sets. Meta is gonna choose which ad set is gonna perform the most, or which assets spend the most, and they're gonna give that asset more money to spend on. Alright, so we're gonna go with CBO for now. Alright, so right here you brought pack one, because you're gonna keep using that shit in pack, then brought pack one. Alright, so website, just make sure everything is like this. Also, I don't have a pixel in this ad account, but you have a pixel. Conversion location should be website. Performance goal should be maximize number of conversion, because we're trying to get as much conversions as possible. Then right here should be a pixel. Then you're gonna use purchase as the, remember, you're gonna use purchase if you have the pixel set up and everything. Alright, so after I've gotten that, don't really click on this, like leave this as it is. Like you can leave this as it is, like that's what I usually do. Then placements, I usually leave it advantage plus, just leave it because Meta is gonna choose where they want to spend that, and usually it's 100% on Instagram. So after I've gotten all of that stuff set, just set everything as I did. Then you're gonna go here, add one. I'm gonna go with fonts because it's my brand. Then as you guys can see right here, everything is set. Then make sure it's font.us because that's my website. Turn this shit off. Then go right here, media. What you guys want to do is drag the video that you want to run ads on right here. I'm gonna just choose a random one just to show you guys how you can do it. So basically what I do in primary text is just out now one. Since it's Black Friday, we're gonna go with Black Friday sale, 30% off all orders. Alright, so I'm done with this. Then you can do another one. Let's say Black Friday, buy one get one free. Just an example, guys. Let's do buy two get one free right here, and free shipping. Then we can use another one right here, just add a little bit of scarcity, limited stock. And I think that's pretty all. The call to action should be shop now. Then don't write a headline and don't write a description, just leave it like this. And what you want to do is just next. Make sure all of this stuff are off. So done. You gotta wait for the video to finish processing. Alright, so after the video is we finish processing, just look at the ad right here to see if everything is right. Alright, so after 100% sure everything is right, then what you want to go ahead and do is go on right here, just go down, make sure everything is set. If you see tracking, just because I don't have a pixel, but you'll see website events, just make sure it's on. Just look at everything 100%, double check and make sure everything is right. Then what you want to do is duplicate right here. So what you want to go ahead and do is change this to add 2, and then what you want to do is go here and add video. After you remove the other video, then you want to add another video. Alright, so after I've done that, then you want to go ahead and duplicate. Just do it 4 times, just do it like 3 times. Make sure you have 5 ads. Like when you're starting out, I want you guys to have 5 ads. Don't, like when you're starting out, I recommend you guys have 5 ads. You guys should start with 5 ads, nothing higher than that, and nothing, you can go a little bit lower. The reason why I say 5 is because you're gonna start with a $50 budget. After it's performing, you give it like 3 days. After 100% sure it's performing, then you can go ahead and scale the ads that are performing. And how do you guys do that? Alright guys, so I just hopped another ad account, a client ad account, as you guys can see right here. And what I want you guys to do is, after you have spent around maybe 100, 150 and you have started to get purchases, what I want you guys to do is look at 3 key metrics. If these 3 metrics are good, like for example, as you guys can see right here, for this ad you spend around, what I want you guys to do is press right here and you can filter it to the most amount spent. Just press on right here, then you can see amount spent. We spent $222 on this ad to get back 1,269, which is a really good ad that's scalable. What you want to do is, as you guys can see with the 3.94x ROAS, then also this one right here, we spent 210 to get back 954. This is a really good scalable ad. Also this one right here is also scalable. This one you can go ahead and turn it off. This one is also scalable. Then also this one can also be scalable. No, this one is not yet scalable because it only spent around $42. But what I want you guys to do is just go on right here. Let's say this ad was the ad that's performed. You can just press duplicate, new campaign, make. What I want you to do is just make it scaling campaign. Then go right here, name the ad set, scale part 1, continue. Just double check and make sure everything is 100% correct, like all the settings are 100% right. Then what you want to do is, let's say you give this prospecting campaign a 25, no, let's say you give it a $50 budget. Let's say you give this one a $50 budget, you can give this one an $80 budget. Then you can give the scaling campaign an $80 budget, let it run for 3 days. If it's performing, then you can scale it to a $100 budget, give it 3 days. If it's performing, you can scale it to $100 budget. If it's not, then you can turn it off, leave the ads in the testing campaign. Also, one mistake that you guys make is that you turn off ads in the testing campaign easily. Like you turn them off after you have scaled the ad immediately. What I want you guys to do is give it a while. Like, why are you turning off an ad that's already performing? So what I want you guys to do is let it run, give it 3 days. If the ads in the scaling campaign are performing, then you can turn it off. But personally, me, I don't even turn it off. Yeah, I just leave it on like that. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like more videos like this, just let me know. And also, if you have any video that you want me to record, just let me know in the comment section. If you guys want me to scale your brand, like do all of the backend stuff for you. We do the ads, email marketing, SMS marketing, all of the backend stuff. Like literally when you're working with us, all you have to do is cut content, shape orders, and that's literally all. We do all of the stuff for you. So if you guys will be interested in that, just shoot a call down below or just see me up on Instagram. It doesn't really matter. Just get in contact with me and let's see what we can do for you.